Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to day 18 of the Great Refactoring. What? Of the Great Refactoring. I said of the Great Refactoring. This is awkward. Fix your schedule? What do you mean, Aaron? What do you mean, fix my schedule? We're right on time. We're perfectly on time, all set, ready to go. Except 2 minutes off. I think you're just 2 minutes off. I may have forgotten to grab my water, and I was sitting here ready to hit it, and then I look over and I go, oh crap, I need water. And so I had to run down and go get it. But now, my thing's not working. What the heck? Device not found? What is this nonsense? No wonder why it's not working. Dang. Oh, and it crashes? What is this? What is this? Okay, anywho. We'll get the music going. I have not been looking at chat for the past 30 seconds. Just so you guys know. I've been looking at trying to get this music going. And I was trying to figure out why there's so many ads. Holy moly. Fix your schedule, it's 2 minutes off. No, it's 33 minutes in the hour. Stream has been up for a minute. Wait. 33 minutes? Wait, what do you mean? 33 minutes in the hour. Stream's been up for a minute. Wait. Are you saying we were 3 minutes late, Aaron? There's no way. We're not 3 minutes late. We were 1 minute. We were 30 seconds off. We've been streaming for 3 minutes, 30 seconds. It is 34. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Okay. 1 minute, 30 seconds. I'll give you guys that. A minute 30. I think that's pretty on time, if you ask me. That's pretty good. If I can get this stupid thing. Oh, wait. I have an idea. That's a bad idea. That was a bad idea. Oh, nope, never mind. It was a good idea now. Wait for it. What the heck? Why does it say that my Corsair IQ doesn't exist when clearly it does? Did we put it on? No. It ain't there. This is so strange. Hysterically, is it physically present? it's like, I don't know what's going on right now. It says, oh, you can configure it with IQ. We have IQ. But then when I just clicked it and everything just closed. What is going on with this software, folks? This software is broken. This is our review. It's broken. Garbage. Unplug device, plug it back in. That's what I just did. I literally just did it, and then now it's like messing up. What just happened? I didn't want to check for updates. Watch, we open this. Wait, we don't need that. We open this one. And then it's like, watch, boom. And it's like, oh, you're already here. Let's open it. Okay, now it's just not opening. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Info, exclusive rights might be blocked. That's fine. And now it finds it. The Great Refactoring. And now it works. What is this nonsense? What is going on here? We have to open it and close it and close it and open it. Been having USB issues? That's true. Ever since I got my computer rebuilt, been having USB issues. Like my top row of USBs on my tower just don't work anymore at all. I don't think they've been plugged in. Bet it'll work better than build your new PC using company funds. That would be cool. That would be cool, but that's not going to be for a very long time. Very long time. Step 1, company funds to hire. Step 2, hire again. Basically, keep hiring people until we can't, until we don't need to. Yeah. The funds for upgrading the setup, they're not coming for quite a while. Unless we magically get a lot of money randomly. Would be nice though. Would be very, very nice. All right, so let's check out where we left off yesterday, folks. There we go. So we got our nice little character. We got a companion. We got enemies. They're all spawning. They move around. They do a melee hit. The melee hit doesn't do any damage though. So let's change that real quick. Still love those derpy arms. Excuse you? Derpy arms? Howdy, Jordster. What about these arms look derpy? Look how muscular they are. Our character's got some boulder shoulders right here. Boulder shoulders. Whew. Absolutely jacked. Yoked, some would say. I think it's just target. Target finder dot closest target. We can say target finder dot closest target dot take damage stats dot damage dot value. Lurkin. Ooh, need to get back to my tutorial. It's a short one. Sounds good. Sounds good. How you doing, Jordster? How's your evening going? I think it's the evening over there, right? Or is it the morning? No, it's the evening for sure. For sure. Howdy, Rover. How you doing? I'm sort of early for once. Doing good. Yeah, you are. You are pretty early. We're doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. Adding some damage right now to the melee fairy. So we can say if target finder dot closest target not equal to null, then we say target finder closest target dot take damage, stats at damage dot value. Don't you normally stream earlier? No. We start at 12 minutes ago. That's usually when we stream. About 12 minutes ago. We were a minute late today, or this morning. A whole minute. For shame. There we go. Now we take damage. Fancy that. Now does our fairy take damage, though? Does not. Sweet. And then it dies. That's because it's dead. Oh, because sometimes it goes like this and then dies. I see. I've not spoke to you in a while. How's the refactoring doing? It's going. It's going. We're actually... Oh, boy. I dare to say it. We're actually super close to being caught up to everything. Super close. Because we have... And the big thing that we have is we have a lot of extra things we didn't have before. So we have our world level up. So walls appear and all that. We have enemy camp spawn points. So these spawn points are super cool. Basically, we can spawn an array. We can spawn whatever number of enemies we want. And they'll all spawn within the area. And they'll start wandering around randomly. Just randomly wandering around all over the place. And then you can finally... And then, of course, they'll attack and whatnot. And we can add different types. So we could have one spawn point spawn like 3 different types of enemies at like all different variations of numbers. Super, super cool. And then what we can do as well is make them spawn enemies based on... Well, we could do that, but probably not. What we need to do is in the next levels. So right now, this is level 1. We have all the enemy spawn camps here. So they all just spawn 2 melee fairies right now. So very basic. And then we can come over here. Level up. And I don't think they should be spawned now. Yep, now there's no enemy camps. So we're going to have to re-add those in. Which isn't bad. And then I think the boss is... We also got the boss. I don't know if you remember the boss. Oh, boss fight's not here right now. We have to re-add that as well. Are you going to place them down randomly? Yeah, so the way we place them down is actually kind of cool. Yeah, I kind of remember the boss. Sweet. Here, map. This is how we place them down. So you can see with the little circles here. These are all the different spawn camps. And then this is the enemy here. And basically, all you do is you place it here. It'll cover this whole area. And then we can just say like, hey, I want you to spawn 3 melee and 2 ranged. And it will do that. And they'll all just start wandering around, doing their thing and whatnot. And we can also set all their stats, of course, separately. So yeah, that's pretty... We pretty much have all of the placements for level 1. This is level 1. That's what I'm saying. The wandering is a nice feature. Ironic was saying that it was dumb or useless. We shouldn't be doing that. was like, no, no, no. It adds life. Adds life to the characters. Instead of them just standing still all the time, it adds life to them. Makes it feel like they're more alive. Makes them scarier. Oh, speaking of scarier, we also did some practice programming art. So that's just like mesh instance stuff. Let me delete this. And well, I'll just hit play here. Let you see it for yourself. This is our ranged fairy. As you can see, it's terrifying. It was this is a programmer art, so it's gonna be deleted. But yeah, we made like a little flying fairy. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, and then when this happens, I think we need to do... Honestly, I kind of think here, we just take this, we bring it down a line. Like that. Save. Now when we kill something, it should just die. But next up, what I think we're going to do today is it's going to be a little bit... Wait, let's see if this works. Update colors previously freed. But it's not alive anymore. Oh no, is this a new error? No, this is an error that's been here that we've just been ignoring. But it shouldn't be going off because we're checking if they're alive. Oh my lord. That's why. Hold up. Now it's gonna work. Now it's gonna work. We've all been there, yeah. Holy crap, that fairy was zooming. Oh, are they sharing health? They are. They're sharing health. That's not good. That's not good at all. I think this is what we have to do. I think we have to bring is alive down there. But that's not good that they're sharing health. They shouldn't be. Yeah, look. But these guys aren't. So something's up with the other fairy. Cheap viewers, we don't want those. Get out of here. No, they are sharing health. Okay, now they're just not dying. Huh. Maybe do an elif? Not is alive? Then they die? What was this error? Mismatch between initial value. Initial value vector 3. Self. Interesting. Steps started in between. Let's try 0.1. And then we'll figure out the health. These are just like little bugs that don't really matter right now. Oh, we're hitting the wrong fairy. No, we're hitting the right one, but he's not dying. 34 errors. Mismatch between initial value. It will become one massive. Probably. That's weird that there's... It doesn't like self. Mismatch between initial and final values. When I'm working on something, I always give up after one error. I'm the most impatient programmer ever. That's fair. I mean, honestly, I kind of just want to ignore this for now as well. And we can get to that later. We can figure it out. I think we're going to bring this back to an else, though. Save it. Yeah, I think we're just going to ignore it for now. And we'll come back to it. Because I want to get going on the upgrade system. So that is this guy right here. We want to upgrade it. We want to be able to come over and upgrade our stats. So come over here, click it, and then upgrade the stats. And to do that, we did a very complex UI thing, which I think we're gonna have to do again, unfortunately. That's the only way we could get it to work. You should see how many repos I've got on Visual Studio that end up leaving because I can't figure out how to fix it. Oh, geez, no. See, the thing is, like, we always come back to the errors that we leave. I think that's a key right there, is always coming back to those errors. Let's see here. So in our not that one, this one. In our upgrade panel, right? Yeah. Upgrade panel. We got these button. No, that's the exit button. We got the labels. Check. We got the levels. All right. And these are just defense levels. Whoa. That was like an extreme sneeze. Holy moly, that hurt. That hurt. I felt my core flex there. Holy moly. That threw me off. Anywho, we got the defense, we got the level labels. So this is going to be the like 0 out of 10 thing. And then we got the buttons. The buttons are the big one. What is up, my fellow youths? Oh, what's up, Savage? Oh no, it's.
So you got mugged, huh, Mr. Donaghy? And you caught the guy who did it. Good for you. Young-looking cops.
Here it is.
Howdy do, fellow kids.
What?
Howdy do, fellow kids. That's Savage right there. Howdy do, fellow kids. I'm gonna sit in the background for a while. I'll listen, but I've got to work on some math stuff. Sounds good. Yeah, work on that school. That school work. Howdy do, kids, fellow kids. That's definitely me. That's good. That's good. I like that. All right. So what we're trying to do right now is we're gonna actually, let's open this. There we go. The upgrade button. Dun dun dun. The upgrade button. So what we're doing here with this button is we got to figure out how to make it work. So in the upgrade button, we have upgrade costs as a dictionary. We have level scale. And then we got the base stat. And this box is fancy because it does an image and a number. Like that. But the fancy part about it, is it can expand all the way up until 4 different images and 4 different numbers. And it can scale anywhere between the 1 and 4 and look fancy. So we got to figure out how to do that again. Read my Discord message last night. Don't feel pressured. That's not me asking, just saying I'll do it if you want me to. Oh, I already read your message. Yeah. I have something in the works right now, Savage. Something is in the works. That I'm not ready to discuss quite yet because I want to make sure that I actually have it all set up properly first, and then I'll discuss it with you. But yeah, was thinking you're on the radar. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. We got big plans coming. Big plans. Okay. So, what we need to do here. Oh man. There's gotta be a better way. There's just gotta. This does not look fun. Alright, so we'll make a button. Cost dictionary as a dictionary. Stats as base stat. And then we need a V box for our upgrade box. And then what we did... Wait, control dot. Oh, that's the stuff inside the V box or the image. Okay. So in code, we set everything. I think we have to do that again, don't we? Don't we? Yeah. Oh boy. All right, this is what we do. I think we're going to go over here. Step 1, we're going to close up the stuff we don't need right now. Clean it up. Do a little cleanup. And then step 2, head to script, close all. Step 3, make a button. Step 4, add a V box. Okay, this is going to be called the upgrade button base. Nope, just upgrade button, because we just call it upgrade button, and then when we rename it, we can just make it beautiful. Okay. And then upgrade VBox. Now we're going to add a script to this called the upgrade button, but we're going to put it under UI. Load. Whoa. Wait, what? How is this already here? Which is... What? Upgrade button. Wait, we have that. Wait, what? Don't save. When did we put you in? Okay. I'm okay with this. I am okay with this. That makes life a little easier. Sick. Well, that saved a lot of time. All we're gonna do now is we're gonna open up our autoloads, our UI scene. Cool indeed, yeah. You already said cool a while ago, but I'm pretending that you said it for this because it is very cool. All right, and now we got the alter upgrade control. Open that up. The alter upgrade panel. What did we do? I guess we already started setting it up quite a bit. Texts. HBox. That's the level switch button. What's in this? In the text, we have labels and the buttons. We have an upgrade button, but it's so tiny, so little. What is this? Upgrade levels? Oh, but it's so tiny. Okay. Interesting. Was not expecting that. All right, well, I guess we just go to UI now. Let's close up these. And we want to do... Interesting. We really broke it down here. We have the labels, buttons, HBox. And then within that HBox, we have 3 VBoxes. Within that HBox, we have 3 VBoxes. Okay. Sick. And then we just make a label inside of this one. Upgrade levels VBox. Control A, label. Okay. What is the layout of these? Let's see what's different. So starting with labels, we have a interesting by 773, 135 by 773. Huh. 135, 773. 135, 773. I can't edit it. I'm flabbergasted by how all of this changed. Okay. There's nothing different. So it must be the words that we put in. Oh, wait, no, this is the old one. Or the new one. This is the old one. Code Wonderland. Hello, enjoy your lurk. Enjoy your lurk. Okay. Literally no changes. But how is there spacing? Each label is left top 120 by 60. So left top 120 by 60. Left top. There we go. There we go. Green Kitty. Hello. Welcome. Also, hi. Hello. How you doing? Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are working on some statistics here. Hardcore statistical analyses where we are trying to get some cool things to happen. There we go. Background color. We'll darken it just so it looks different. Yeah, I think that's fine. Sweet. I just left math and now there's more math. Is today math day? Yes. No. It's not really any math. I just couldn't think of a fancy way to title doing stats or upgrading stats. Yesterday was math day. Today is math day. Every day is math day. All right. So No. Yes. This needs to be offset a little bit. Just a little bit. I think to do that, we do in the transform. Oh, we can't edit the transform though. That's a pain. Can I just drag it? No. No, dang it. No, I don't co-sign or subscribe to that tangent. That's funny. This is tough. Okay. We can't edit this because it's already in the H box, I guess. All right, well, we can take this label and we both have to suffer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can I just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Okay, and then these sizes need to be the same size as the previous ones. So we go boom, boom, and then we go, where's the transform? Why am I missing transform? What the heck? Okay, apparently I'm just missing something. But it's absolutely integral, not to be irrational. Math jokes. Too early in the morning for math. We're not doing math. We're doing fake math right now. Fake math. Oh, layout. Duh. 120 by 60. Layout. 120 by 60. Bang. Beautiful. And then here, we do same thing. Layout. 120 by 60. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. But over here, 120 by 60. Like so. Save that. There we go. I swear there's something at the root of the problem. I can't right now. Y'all are crazy. All right, maybe if we do this. Go to the H box. And I think we can do an anchor offset. And we go... Yeah. Anchor offset. So what did we do the anchor offset here as? Zero. USB device not recognized. You're kidding me. Now that the camera's off? Oh my lord. What is going on with my USBs today? One sec, team. Which one's the camera? I swear, all my USB ports today are just not working. Not working. Let's do this. Do this. And now, there we go. So strange. Those are the Pirates of the Caribbean. All right. We don't care about the anchor points right now. We want the Transform, scale, pivot, offset, maybe? There's some offset we want. Both size, position. So strange. I think at the H box, what we do is we do this. We go 10 in. Maybe more. Maybe 20 in. On the left. 20 in on the right. Oh. There we go. Negative 20 on the right. And that should make it look better. Now the labels, what we want to do is we're going to go like this. Label settings, new label settings, pixels. Line spacing we don't want, sorry. Font size 32. Okay, 32 is too big. 24. 24 is not bad. And then we want center. Center. Look at that. Look at that. Did it all in once. All at once. Not individually, all at once. Actually, but I think what we want is the left. Horizontal alignment on the left. I think that's the play. And then for the H box, what we can do is we can make it 40 and negative 40. Something like that. Looks a little bit better. Slightly better. All right, cool. Now we want the labels. Health upgrade, level. We're gonna copy this part. And actually we can do this, ready? Boom. Boom. Right click, rename. And then there's a way to do this. Hang on. Batch rename. Prefix. Defense. Oh, no, sorry. Search. Defense. Damage. Oh, no, that's not going to work. Hang on. We can't change it like that. Replace 2. Nah, let's do this. Undo that. Batch rename. Prefix. Sorry, replace 2. Advanced options. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Prefix with upgrade level. Label. That was close. This is just gonna take too long. Defense. Damage. attack speed, attack range, movement speed, carry capacity, and luck. Like so. Now we can go like this and go 0 out of 10. Vertical alignment center. New label settings. Font size 24. We'll keep it centered. Something like that. Okay. And then our buttons. Save this. Let's go see what it looks like so far. Get out of here. Beautiful. And then a button that does nothing. Oh, it doesn't do nothing. Okay. Cool. Back to the UI. Now we gotta add the rest of the buttons. So we can do a button, open, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we can rename battery name. How do you add it in the very beginning? There's a way to batch add a whole slew of things. I just don't know it. So we'll just go defense, upgrade button, damage, upgrade button, attack speed, attack range, movement speed, carry capacity, and luck. Cool. Save. Now we're going to access as unique. Can I just do this? Perfect. The reason we want to access as unique is because that way when we're coding it, we can just do %sign and then the name. Save us some time. Yeah. Then the level switch button is going to be interesting. The level switch button is going to be based on these numbers added together. Which means we probably need scripts on them. Probably.
Computers now have primary control of
Okay, let's get... Do we put the scripts on them now? Maybe not. Maybe we just get the first two working. Ooh. Man, oh man. We're coughing today. Coughing and sneezing. All right. Man, oh man. Have I ever told you guys how much I love UI work? So much. So much. What we can do is, all right, so we'll do... Oh man. Let's see here. Okay, we could do... Let's look at what the UI is actually doing first. Nothing with these. Okay, so we have no... Oh, alter upgrade control. So that just makes it visible and invisible. Or not visible, I should say. Upgrade menu label. Exit button. And then we can do... Let's go to the other thing. We did window control, but we don't really need that. On button pressed. So we actually have it there already. We don't want that. This is gonna be weird, but I think we do this. Grab these two functions. Bring them over here. In our control. And then add a couple spaces. And boom. And then we can do, first thing we want to do is an onReady var stats as a character stats equals player manager dot stats. Or just equals. Yeah, we can do that. Just equals. Okay. And then we don't need this anymore. Oh, we do need this, but no, we don't need that anymore. And then we can say player manager. Four buttons in upgrade panel. Labels buttons, HBox. So this would be text HBox. Buttons VBox. Delete that. Four buttons as a button in buttons VBox. So texts HBox. Buttons VBox. Yep. Alter upgrade panel. Blah, blah, blah. Perfect. Now, update buttons. So for alter upgrade panel, in the text H box. Buttons V box. Get children buttons. Button.stats. Get next upgrade cost. Text H box. Then alter upgrade panel. Levels V box. Levels? Upgrade levels. Howdy, Tame Tana Kyoko. How you doing? Wait. Upgrade levels. And text. Upgrade levels. This is supposed to be labels. No, upgrade levels. That's fine. Currently not developing today since I'm doing an all-nighter on Cat Fantasy. I was hooked into the current collaboration, so it halted my dev time. What is Cat Fantasy? Never heard of it. Now we go to our labels. Oh, level label, sorry. Upgrade level. Upgrade level is what they're called. Access is unique. Then we go this. 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 That. This. Then we go boom, 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 bang, bop. Howdy, North Pole. Similar, it's a gacha game with cat girls. Similar to Necopera with no gacha stuff, but just visual novel like I do. Oh, gotcha. Mr. Elliptic, the king juicer himself. Now listen, Mr. Elliptic, I know you gotta go. I have that feeling. Oh, Woland, hang on. Hold up. I gotta show you something. Let me just type this out. Bang, done. So we've been, yeah, you need to run. Give me 1 second. Let me show you this real quick. So we started working on our own juicing of programmer art. All right? We started juicing up our programmer art. Check it out. Pretty nifty, right? Pretty juiced up, if you ask me. Wait. Wing flutter. Pretty nifty. I mean, I'm coming for your title. What can I say? The fairy goes flat. Okay, now you can get out of here. Welcome, everybody, to Freedom Forge Studios, where we're making our very first game. And I'll get to the squats in just a sec. Wait, those keyframes ease in and out, though? That would be a good idea. But again, this is programmer art. We're going to be deleting this and like adding in an actual model once we get to the juice stage. Just right now, just something as a placeholder. So it's at least visually, like you can look at it, look at the game and not feel awful. Yeah, we'll figure out that stuff. Actually, I can just do that. Oh, we'll figure it out. Box select and the inspector easing right, click in and out. Oh. Select. Oh. Like that. Easing. That's it for me. All right, see ya. I thought we'll see ASCII art now. That's too perfect. Perfect. Yes. We'll try that. We'll see what happens. Oh. That's not bad. Not bad. Right click in, out, predefined setting. Oh, ease in, out. I don't see a difference. You want to have smooth in and out. Okay, all right. See ya. Thank you for the quick tip there. Anywho, welcome everyone to Freedom Forge Studios, where we are making our very first game. Today, folks, is day 18. Wait, let me make sure it plays. Of the Great Refactoring. So basically, we're remaking our game from the ground up. Let's stop this for a sec. Our game previously is, the idea behind it is it's supposed to be just like a simple, chilled out mobile game, completely free. No ads or anything like that, where you have a little joystick, you run around. We got ads coming in a minute. We'll pop up the words. I'll quickly finish this. You run around, you attack things, they attack you. You get resources. You use those resources to get companions or turn in like a quest for companions. The companions will of course help you attack, but on top of that, they also have special abilities like healing you and your party, stunning, slowing, that kind of stuff. And then you can upgrade your RPG stats, so health, damage, defense. And then lastly, we have boss fights. So you need all these stats and all these companions so you can take on the big bosses that all have special mechanics. This guy in particular does a charge up, and then stuns, grows really big, and attacks really fast. And then he's gonna die, because this is the broken version. Now we're refactoring it. So making it from the ground up, only using no meshes or anything. Only doing, no models, only using meshes instead. Just for now. All right, and we got the ads coming up. So what we're gonna do is we'll chuck up the words real quick. Words. Then Twitch, got it. And boom, don't want to hit log out. That would be bad. Copy that. And then words. Boop. Okay. Bang. For those of you who are lucky and fortunate enough to not have ads, if you don't know how to play the game, all you do is when you see the word, you just type it out in chat. All you gotta do, nice and easy. Maybe not. E-R-O. For it there? No. What is, wait, T-R-E-E. Wait. How is tree not working? This is level 1. There's no way tree shouldn't work. Oh, there's only one E. Never mind. Truth. Oh, there's no extra T. Why is this so difficult? Truer. Hurt? Oh, there's no hurt. We already got a hurt? Okay, this is far more difficult than I thought. This is just level 1, though. This is just level 1, folks. Just level 1. Whoo, Nelly. Whoo, Nelly. And then we gotta hit the squats for Woland. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Ugh. Huh. Fret. I don't know any of these words. We're just gonna pretend like that never happened, Hikatile. We're gonna pretend like that never happened. We're just gonna move on from that. We'll hit it next time. Ads are coming up in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I learned I have to improve my English. Me too, me too. Oh, welcome back from ads, everyone. I hope they were fun and enjoyable. Maybe you got a nice little jingle, a nice little song. We're gonna hit the quick 15 squats for Woland over here. Ugh. Ugh. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whew. We love squats here. No, we don't. No, we don't. We did a couple hundred the other day, and my legs were shot. So with this refactoring here, folks, I'll show you what we got so far. So now add 10 kilos. Yeah, not yet. We're not trying to collapse here. But you notice how there's no walls, but we added in code that the walls can be added. Real fancy. We also have spawn points. So it spawns different numbers of enemies depending on what we set it to. Right now, they're all just set to 2 melee enemies each. And we added a little bit of juice to them, so they like jump. Fancy, cool. We also have a boss fight. If we can run over there. Oh my. And the boss doesn't spawn, of course. That part's broken, I guess. We'll have to fix that up. That's an easy fix. And then what we're working on currently, though, is this guy right here. This is our upgrade altar, or it will be our upgrade altar. So you click it, and it will increase all of your stats when you turn in currency for whatever you need to do. Right now, all the arrays are empty, though, so it's not going to give us anything, of course. But yeah, that's what we're working on. We're trying to do a little UI work right now, because UI is fun and exciting. We love UI here. Absolutely love it. This is coming together great. Let's see all the progress since last time. Yeah. I mean, the big thing about doing this refactoring here is that it's actually like coming together a lot faster than what I had previously imagined. A lot faster. Gotta make nice custom theme for it all. UI would be beautiful. Yeah. UI is my job. Have to go. Oh my lord. Drathal, you wanna do some UI magic over here? I have no, like, UI is probably one of my weaker skills, to say the least. Right now, we're just trying to get it working, and then later on we can make it look pretty. As long as the basic layout is there. So we had the buttons. The buttons are actually really cool. The buttons, I'll show you how they actually work over here. So in our other version, plain button, right? Check this out. 5, 10, 15. Okay. So we changed the level to 1. Oh, wait. We have to play. I think we have to hit play. Yeah. Oh, it's not working. Nuts. Okay, well, every time you level it up, first it has to function. Yeah, exactly. The way this button works is it starts off and it has an icon here, and it does work. Just, I forgot how to make it work when you're showing it off, not in-game. And it has a number. So an icon and then a number. And then what you can do is, of course, the icon number can change. Easy peasy. But the cool part, really cool part, is it can do 2 icons and 2 numbers. And then it can do all the way up to 4 icons and 4 numbers. I can just draw it. Pretty fancy, pretty cool. UI in Godot is tricky until it's not. This video helped me a lot. Ooh, check it out. Oh, we have to. Oh, yuck, ads. Oh, the Godoniers. There we go. Forgot to shout out Mr. Elliptic as well. How dare I? For those of you who were here previously and don't know Mr. Elliptic, the King Juicer himself, known for his ability to just juice up a game and make it look immaculate. Made 2 games so far, working on the 3rd Claw Lector right now. I'm saving this this link code. Working on Claw Lector right now. 2 games of Dash Pong and Hyperslice. Both are so juiced up. It is just immaculate to look at. Immaculate. Let's see if I can find a... There we go. There we go. Look at this. Look at that. This, talk about juicing a game. You got the screen shake, you got the colors, you got the emissions. Whoo! Whoo! It's crazy. It's so nice. That is our goal, team. We are gonna make it juiced up just as much. Mr. Elliptic taught me how to do clean camera transitions in Godot. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna listen. We're gonna, don't spoil it, but I'm hoping we can work out a deal, little negotiation, Mr. Elliptic, and have him help us juice this game up. Maybe do a little teaching session or something. I don't know. We gotta figure it out, because oh boy, do we need help. Oh boy. Speaking of help, just so you guys know, we've only been doing this for almost coming up tomorrow on 11 weeks. 11 weeks as of tomorrow with programming, game dev, and all that stuff, and streaming and blah, blah, blah. 11 weeks. So we're still very, very new to all this stuff. Very new. And hopefully we'll, I feel like we're learning at a pretty decent rate. Decent, not great, decent. But yeah, hopefully we can continue and get bigger, better, make better games, make them look prettier. All right, so first issue that we're having with the UI. The first issue with the UI is that we need icons, because what happens is let me go to the code. It reaches over into our asset folder, wherever that may be. All right. Where, oh, maybe I didn't have it do that yet. There's no way I didn't have it do it yet. Hang on. Upgrade buttons. Oh, here it is. It reaches over to our icon folder, but we don't have any icons yet. We don't have any icons. I got distracted by Hubby, who we collabing with. No one yet. By the way, which of the 2 games he's working on do you like? Honestly, I like them. I like both of them more than... Don't hate on me. I like them more than Claw Lector. I think Claw Lector looks really cool, but it's not my kind of game. I like to have more active games. So far, probably Hyperslice is the favorite. Thank you. Yeah, I think personally, I think so far Hyperslice is the favorite. But also, to be completely fair, I haven't been able to play them all, like to an extent to where I could give a solid review. Because, well, as y'all will see in the near future, with the upcoming YouTube video, I don't have time. My schedule is quite packed. Quite packed. It's absurd, but maybe, hopefully, one of these Freedom Forge Fridays, we'll be able to do it. Hyperslice is my favorite. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I think Hyperslice is the winner there. I mean, it's just so cool. So cool. There's a reason I showed y'all Hyperslice. I think that one's cool. But yeah, our color space was hard for me. Color space. I haven't heard of color space. What is color space? Interesting. Is that another game? Oh, it's the racing game. Oh, I haven't seen much of color space. I haven't seen much of that. I've only really seen Dash Pong, Hyperslice, and Claw Lector. Those are the three I've seen. Also Vector Look. Ah, fancy. All right, let's close this up. Let's do. Oh boy. All right. I think what we'll do is, because I'm already a little tired of the UI. So what we'll do is we'll come over here and we're gonna figure out, why is this boss not spawning? That's the question. Why is our boss just not spawning? Here's the spawn. Let's go to map 1, because we saved all the walls and stuff as maps. And the reason we did that is so we could level them up, and like the walls would change, the spawn points would change. And it's real fancy like. Map level 1. Okay. 2D. Nope, not 2D, 3D. So as you can see, they're just plain old walls. And of course, we're going to add actual models and whatnot once this is done. All right, team, enemy. Node, groups, enemy, level 1, level 2. Okay. This is the fairy boss scene. It has stats. So why is it not spawning? Oh, wait. That's why. Spawn character. We changed our the way we were doing things. So in our fairy realm, over here, spawn enemy. Spawn enemy, not spawn character. Spawn enemy. Save. Now, when we go to fairy realm, we hit play. Now the boss should spawn. Just run through these guys real quick. Don't mind me. There he is. There's the boss. Now the boss fights. Oh. Just broke. Invalidator access to global position on base object type nil. Bosses hit you? It didn't hit. It just, the target, okay. It didn't pick closest target. So what we can do here is we just say if target finder dot closest target is not equal to null. And then we just tab all this over. Stop that. Now let's try it. Because we left like in the middle as it was like about to attack. All right, now. So the boss, all the boss fights have different mechanics to them. This one in particular, the idea is each boss scales with like the abilities that it does, and it gets more complicated and all that. If no target, return. That could work too, actually. But let's see. Oh, there we go. Easy does it. And then that's just its melee attack. Then it runs back, and then check this out. It'll heal itself. You can't see because it's not looking at us, but its eyebrows move. And then it shoots a big bolt that we can dodge. It chases us around. It'll smack us, run back. And then when it runs back, does its little heal, shoots at us, and that's it. That's the boss fight basically. It's supposed to be very basic, very easy, because oh, that's not good. That's not good. We were having this issue before. It's lagging now. Something is being recursive, I think. Recursion is occurring. Not sure what though. Yeah, that's annoying. Yeah, look at that, it just crashed. That's fun. Okay, so maybe, let's see. If not target, return. Oh, can we do that? And then we untab this. Right? Because it will run the if statement first. Easy to read for me. No, that's fair. That makes sense. Yeah, again, still learning a whole slew. So if any of y'all have like tips, tricks, so you're like, oh, you should be doing this instead, let me know. Let me know. Like, for example, this right here, we can fix this. And the way we fix it is we do return, delete this, delete these, and delete these. Bang. Wait. Oh, wait, no, it had an and operator. Awkward. There we go. Also, I'm still learning Godot. Oh, gotcha. How long have you been using Godot for? Keep looking over here as if I'm talking to you. It's the camera. Target position. Match state. About 1.5 years. Holy moly. Holy moly. Yeah, you did still, I mean, I guess does learning really ever end? I would say no, it doesn't. But you definitely, I think it's a safe assumption that you know far more than I do here. Far more. All right, let's see what could be messing up. When it ends, something is wrong. Indeed, when you stop learning, then something's wrong. For sure, for sure. Completely agree. And then the more you learn, the more you realize you know nothing. And that is always fun. This one needs to be a return. And then we delete this stuff. Boop. Save that. This should also just be a return. Oops. Whoa. Do we still have an instance running? No? That was weird. I hit like a little lag spike there. Play special, heal, is alive, same thing. We can just do a make it small, make it good. Actually, is alive, we probably don't want to return. No, that's fine, that's fine. That works. Yeah, that works, that works. Because it's returning as a bool anyways. Sweet. Okie doke. Now, let's hit play. Cleaned it up just a little, but I don't think we cleaned up anything to stop that lag from happening. Ooh, I'm lagging right now. What is this? You guys see the skips going on? Big time lag. I want to see what's causing it. I think we go to the debugger. We're gonna do a little, see how much I remember. Is the collision firing? I think so. Wait, let's go to, I think it's visual profiler. Yeah, hit start. Now let's play a little bit. Whoa. It's lagging. Why are we not attacking? Nothing's happening. Oh, he's just not doing his special now. What the heck? What do we do? Alright, we're gonna stop the profiler. Stop the game. Let's see what was going on. Nothing crazy in terms of our time. Evil red cube. Indeed. Howdy do, Magnetonics. How you doing? We're trying to figure out... Let's clear that. Maybe we need the profiler instead. Let's hit play. And let's go to debug. Start the profiler. Let's run. Ooh. Frame drop. Pretty good. Just on lunch today. Fun, fun. Whoa. Whoa. What is this lag? I wonder if it's because we have so many enemies. But we weren't experiencing this before. He's also not doing his special. We're shooting. It's colliding with the collision shape. Interesting. Ow. Okay, stop that. So it keeps dropping right here. Time. Yeah, it's like a drop. I'm not quite sure how to use the profiler as much, but is Dude Mando in chat right now? I just saw I was gifted a sub yesterday and missed it. Lethal Injections, hello. Is he? No, I don't think he is. I don't see him. He is not. He is not. But welcome, Lethal. Hello, yeah. Dude Mando just came out of nowhere yesterday. Like, came out of nowhere. Said howdy. And then just dropped 20 gifted subs. And then just hasn't come back since. Blew my mind. I was like, wait, what? What? But hey, we appreciated it. It was great. Absolutely crazy. I think we ended up getting a level 5 hype train, nearly 6. We were like 90% of the way there. Whew. Whew. Yeah, that felt good. That was cool. Well, that's nice indeed. All right. It looks like our physics 3D is also an issue. Now, this is the stuff that I don't know yet. The most difficult part about making a mobile game is you need to be hyper optimized. That's also kind of the allure, like why I want to do a mobile game first is because then it forces me to like think about making it efficient, making it optimized, and hopefully that will translate into other games where it's like I'm constantly doing the most optimal way possible. Although some of these are not optimal. Some of them are not. Maybe it's the problem with the is alive and it's not specialing. I don't know. Temptic. 2 of them. All right, all right. I've been practicing, Temptic. You ready? I've been practicing. Just for you. Oh. Okay, I lost my balance on that one. Hold on. Okay, maybe I need a little bit more practice. Maybe just a little bit more practice. A 4 and a 3? What if I was going for the superhero landing pose? Like a Spider-Man. That's what I was going for. That's why I landed on the ground. That's the reason. At least the reason we're going with. 7 out of 6. 7 and a 6. We'll take it. Whew. Ow. All right. Let's figure out why is our state being dumb. We should check should special. And let's also print the state. States dot keys state commit. Committing this as my commitment for the spin fail. Spins failed. Control copy. You know, I don't think we've committed yet today. Yeah, we haven't. Ooh. Committed. Push. I really should be making more branches here. Just all to the main branch. All to the main. All right. So we're gonna print the state. We're also gonna print should. I use a Kaban plugin. Each task is a branch. Interesting. See, we've been right before we started streaming here, I was looking up different game design document things, and I came across Nuclino, and that's what we've been using for keeping track of things. And it's like, I don't know, it's kind of nice. It keeps a nice little brain of everything. You have your Kaban board, you got lists, you got tables. It's not bad. I use the Godot plugin one now. Yeah. I mean, that does make... This does also cost money, which kind of blows. It's free, like there's a free version, but then once you want more than just a couple things, it's like, yeah. Like this is our game right here. It's literally everything. Everything broken down. But yeah, I've been also using it for the tasks. Keeping a task list, but I don't know. It costs money? Nah, Google Docs does the trick. Yeah, it could. Google Docs could. I mean, Nuclino's free for like 1 or 2 of these boards or workspaces. Arya, howdy. But I mean, it's nice. I like the setup for it. I like how it looks. I like how I can use Markdown, and I can do a bunch of different things with it. And I use just about all these. And then the really cool part is I can connect different things to other things. So I connect something from here to here, or workflow, whatever. I can connect whatever I want, which is really cool. And it leaves like a little link. So I could go like, oh, and then you can also input code in here, which isn't great, honestly. It's not great. I mean, you can go your basic languages. I don't know if they have Godot. Yeah, they don't have GDScript, which is unfortunate. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They have Go. Yeah, no, they don't have GDScript. We can do C++. Godot. They Godot. Yeah. I don't know. It's okay. Do I regret paying for it? A little bit. A little bit. Just a little bit. But it's fine. No GG script. Well, time to ask for a refund. Yeah, if only. If only. All right, and then we're also going to be printing our should special, and then should special. And then we can say boss state equals save, play. All right, so we got casting false. Moving false. Disengage false. Special false. Interesting. So it's not our should special is there's a problem with it. Is what that tells me. And I think that's because should special return stats. I think we're just gonna go back. Wait. So it's true if our health is less than our max health, and we are alive. So why isn't should special working? I mean, we can switch this back to an if statement. If return true, return false. Try that now. Maybe it wasn't like in that return. Should special false. It's still on false. What is going on here? Huh. Now I'm very confused. It was just working. We all saw it work, right? We saw the eyebrows go whoop. Didn't we? Special. If should special, but it's saying it's false. But it's going into this special state. If should special. So if our stats.health.value is less than our stats.health.max value, and we are alive. So is alive. Maybe there's an issue with is alive. Is alive returns our stat. I guess we switch this back to an if now. If return true, return false. Maybe because it's just one statement. Wait. If stats.health.value is less than or equal to 0, then we need to return false because we're dead. And then we return true. That's what was going on. It was returning the opposite. And so it was getting confused. Or we were confusing it. Whoa, jeez. All right. Casting, melee, disengage, special. There it goes. There we go. That fixed it. Okay. Ow. Sick. Now, when it goes to the disengage, I think what we want to do is look at. So disengage. Distance moving. Move to.